Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're just taking, me and my daughter that is, there she is. We're just taking a little drive down to Negril, from Montego Bay to Negril. We just passed Bogue village, so we just started the drive. And it's a nice cool Sunday drive. We're not even sure if we will take a bath or anything like that, but we have clothes just in case. It's been a week where, like, for about 3 days it has been really cold. Well, according to Jamaican standards, really cold. So although it's hot today, the sun is out, it's actually not scorching hot, if you know what I mean. There is a little chill, there's some kind of cold front happening, and we're taking advantage of that to enjoy the weather. All right. On the way down to Negril, and we stopped. We just passed Hopewell. I think we might be still in Hopewell, and we by this little beach I always pass, and I always see this in the water. It used to be a boat, the engine or the steam engine or boiler or something from it, and you can clearly see the outline of the boat that has rotted away over time. Really nice. The Grand Palladium right behind us there. So we stop, and you have to drive in a really bad little piece of road, and you come to this little area here. It is so nice. That is why I like this Negril drive. You drive mostly on the coastline, and if you pay attention, there's little hidden spots like this. There's all the rocks there with the clear water, and there's actually a little beach. It is so fantastic. You know, Jamaica has all these hidden gems. No one really knows about the back here. Amazing. Always wanted to stop here, and this is Fort Charlotte. It's been here since in the 1700s, and if you look right behind me, look at that old building, ancient. We saw some cannons. We're going to walk up to that area. Take a look. Walls, and you will see the cannons behind me. It had about 20 something or 30 cannons here at some point in time, and it's pretty obvious why here was a fort. If you watch my videos at all, you would know that I can't head to Negril without stopping here in this little village called Bulls Bay. It is just off the road on the way to Negril. I can't explain how nice this little hidden gem is. It's never crowded. Not much people know about it except for the villagers or whatnot. And it is just fantastic. So let's go and take another look at it. So I advise anyone, you have the time and you're heading to Negril, stop. It's a little bit after Lucea. You will actually see a concrete sign, welcome to Bulls Bay. You pull in that road, and here you have it. You have some nice rocky areas. There's a lot of fish. I've been snorkeling here already. And then you have the beach in the back there that you could just go and chill and relax. It is such a nice hidden gem. Driving along the 7 Mile beach. That's it right behind me there. We pass all the other larger hotels like Royalton and Riu and whatnot, and we're just chilling. We're gonna head into town, get something to eat, and then continue down the west end. I'm hoping to finally get to the Negril Lighthouse. So fingers crossed that it's open and we're able to get in and take a tour of it today. just ate, and we're now driving up the west end, heading towards like Rick's Cafe and whatnot. And as I said, I'm trying to get to the Negril Lighthouse, which is a little beyond Rick's Cafe. And here we are. If you look behind me, you will see the Negril Lighthouse. Isn't it fantastic? It's been here over 100 years, 120 something years. I always wanted to come to it. Unfortunately, it's locked at the moment and we can't get in to climb up to the top. But I'm really happy that I'm even here on the grounds to see it. And from this spot, you're getting some really nice views. I'll carry you over and show you of like Rick's Cafe and the other hotels and whatnot along the edge. Taking some views of the lighthouse. So here we are still in the property for the lighthouse. That's it there. And you look behind me, that's Rick's Cafe in the distance. The Caves Hotel, you could actually see the caves. And take a look at this water. I mean, if you go Rick's Cafe, you could get an idea, but look at that. It's just amazing. If you walk through this area, you would see some of the older buildings for the lighthouse here. Alright, that it's not in use anymore, but it's still here. And it's pretty interesting. A lot of history on this side. That lighthouse has been there since 1894, I think it was built. I'm not that bright, I just googled it. It used to have to be manual lid, then they switched to acetylene, and then of course I think now it is solar power. And they still light it at night. Here it still is a functioning lighthouse. So yeah, you could come in Negril, check it out. Light on light. So yeah, next time you come to Negril, you could come down, talk to the groundskeeper, and he should be able to let you in and take a look at some history. Other than all the tourist stuff, there is history here that you could take part in. We're leaving now. It gives me a mission to come back here and try to get in. But for right now, we're heading back. Rick's Cafe. Alright, so we're here in Rick's Cafe. Take a look at that water in the back. Are people jumping? Really, really nice. It's famous for a reason. And we were able to catch one of the lifeguards diving from the 100-meter post. Not feet, meter, feet post. Really nice. We're back in the vehicle. We're still in Rick's, and we're gonna head back down the road now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a little drive, you know, nothing too intense. We all have to work tomorrow, and took in a little history and whatnot. So it was pretty good. And now for the drive back. Remember, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.